First add clip and take a snap of very first frame. Then go to Photoshop and open snap you take and remove object that you want. I am removing tower first. I am removing 3 object. You can remove many as you want. You can use any tool to remove and fill background. Content aware is best tool, but I am using different tool for best result. Now open original picture and select object that you removed and press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to select inverse, and then press delete to remove extra part. Now save the picture of first object. Now select second object. I am selecting tower in 2 parts, first bottom part and then top part, and save as 2 different pictures. Now I select building and remove extra image and save. Come back to Premiere Pro and copy all edited images, first place image with removed object, then on upper layers place image of boat, tower, and building with sequence. Now select first image, which is boat image, and place after few frames, then go to Effect Control, turn on stopwatch icon of position, and on first frame move object out of the screen, and after few frames reset the value of position. Now select the tower image and do the same thing as you did with the first image. Now do the same thing with building. After finalizing, remove extra image and match the duration of images, and place main footage right after the images.